7 money hacks to save $5,000 in 2025 without cutting fun. Imagine saving $5,000 this year without ditching your Netflix or coffee runs. In today's economy, with inflation at 3%, smart hacks can supercharge your savings. I'm breaking down 7 proven strategies. Stick around for hack 4. It's a game changer. Hit subscribe for more finance tips. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Automate your savings with apps like Acorns. This rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change automatically. For example, if you spend $3.75 on coffee, it rounds to $4 and invests 25 cents. Users save an average of $500 a year without noticing. Sign up through the link in the description to get a bonus. Hack number 2. Negotiate your bills. Call your cable or phone provider and use simple scripts like, "I'm considering switching. Can you offer a better rate?" This can cut bills by 20%, saving $300 annually on average. Hack number 3. Implement meal prep challenges. Plan meals weekly and shop with a list. Avoid impulse buys. This saves about $200 a month by reducing eating out. Hack number 4. Switch to high-yield savings accounts. Traditional banks offer 0.01% interest, but options like Ally give 4.5% APY. On 10,000, that's $450 a year versus $1. Move your emergency fund there today. Hack number 5. Use cashback credit cards wisely. Cards like Chase Freedom offer 5% back on rotating categories. Pay off monthly to avoid interest and rack up $400 in rewards yearly. Hack number 6. Leverage side hustle apps. Drive for Uber Eats or sell on Etsy for extra cash. Aim for $500 a month. It's flexible and fits around your schedule. Hack number 7. Optimize your taxes. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts like IRAs to reduce taxable income. This could save you $1,000 or more come tax time. Hack number 7. Optimize your taxes. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts like IRAs to reduce taxable income. This could save you $1,000 or more come tax time. Remember, Americans waste $1,500 a year on unused subscriptions. Audit yours today. These hacks are simple but powerful when combined. Implement these today and watch your bank grow. Grab my free budget template in the description. Like if this helped, subscribe for weekly hacks, and comment your top save.